Be your own judge, mastering English pronunciation through self-assessment. Hello learners around the globe. Today, we'll dive deep into a fascinating topic: self-assessment techniques for pronunciation in English. In this video, we are going to equip you with some powerful tools that will help you gauge your own progress in your journey towards mastering English pronunciation. Remember, it's not about sounding like a native speaker. It's about clear and effective communication. Self-assessment is a crucial part of the learning process, especially when it comes to language learning. It allows you to monitor your own progress, identify areas where you are strong, and more importantly, spot areas where you need improvement. When it comes to pronunciation, self-assessment is a key tool to help you improve how you sound when you speak English. The first step towards self-assessment is recording yourself. This can be done with any device that has a recording function: your phone, your computer, or even a digital recorder. Next, you need a reference pronunciation. This could be a clip from an English movie, a podcast, or even an audiobook. Select a short clip and listen to it carefully. Now, it's your turn to speak and record the same text. Once you have both recordings, listen to them side by side. Do not be harsh on yourself. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect but to improve. Pay attention to the way certain words are pronounced, and the rhythm, stress, and intonation of the speech. A self-evaluation rubric is a guideline that helps you assess your own performance based on certain criteria. In our case, these criteria can be clarity, intonation, pace, and stress. Rate yourself on these criteria using a scale. For example, a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 means needs significant improvement, and 5 means excellent. Keep a record of your self-assessments. This could be in the form of a diary or a chart. Every time you perform a self-assessment, note down your scores in each category. Over time, you'll be able to see the improvements in your pronunciation skills. Self-assessment is an empowering tool. It allows you to take control of your learning and see the progress you are making. Remember, the journey to master English pronunciation is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep practicing, keep assessing, and keep improving. You're doing great. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and keep up the good work, English learners. See you in the next video.